circle in perspective takes on the shape of an ellipse. So a really great way to do this is to divide the ellipse into 4 quadrants. So I can take fine charcoal, because I can erase it later, and I can use that to create structural lines. I'm going to divide this in half vertically, and then I'm going to divide it in half horizontally, like that. Now if you look at this, what I want each quadrant to be exactly the same. You can see like this one looks a little different than this one, and this one looks a little different than this one, right? So I can, now that I have this sort of divided up, I can go and smooth these out. Nice and smooth. I don't want the ends to come to corners. I want them nice and smooth and taut. And I can keep going over this and over this until I get a perfectly symmetrical ellipse. As I get this better, I might change my focus down to this bottom ellipse. Now we can't see the whole ellipse, right? Because we can't see the bottom of the cup, right? But we can see the front. And since it's lower, it's going to have a similar curve, but it's going to be a little bit tighter. It's going to come up higher on the ends. So as this curves like this is going to have a similar curve, but a little tighter because it's lower, right? Same thing on this side. We can't see the whole thing because it's behind this apple. It's going to have a nice curve like that. A little bit tighter because we're looking down on it. On the ends here, I like to cheat a little bit and have it hook up so it feels like it goes around the cup. And I can keep going over this and over this until it's nice and smooth, so I get a perfect ellipse. Nice and symmetrical all the way around.